got you. I'm out in Europe, man.
Alright.
You're gonna have to leave a message. I'll get back to you soon.
Pass me the microphone, yo, Christ is on. Click, click, the lights on, now the fight is on. Madison Square Up, I do it like Tyson Jones. I'm an anvil, crushing up ice cream cones. My debut is a threat to these biters and clones. When I sign, fans flock to the hypertone. Your amateurs ain't writing these type of songs. You try to pull it overseas, they strike the gong. Not gonna waste my time saying who right or wrong, but the world won't believe that hype for long. Haters, follow me, you might get on. I mean, somebody might actually like your Jones. I get crazy busy just like a bomb. I'm the hip-hop version of Michael Jones. Now check it, you cocky, I'm twice as strong. I mean, I'm Ken and Rod, you and Vice is strong. Seeing is believing till all sight is gone, and you wonder why you have a trifling home. Speaking life till my life is gone. Cop the extra credit, see what type I'm on. Dig it.